poppin' Shea Butter Beauties, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be coloring my hair with another temporary hair paint wax color, and today's color is purple. I'll be using this color as a wash and go this go around, so I'm super excited to see how my hair turns out. So let's hop straight into it. I'm just going to take my contour brush, brush my hair to get it bouncy and defined. Then I'm just going to take my color, which is very creamy, on my fingertips and apply. And if you have not seen my first hair paint wax color video, I used the color orange and my hair came out this beautiful brown goldish color. So I'll make sure I link that video in the cards. And being my hair is so dark, it's kind of hard to see the purple on my hair right now. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more. And last time I did this without gloves and it was super duper messy. So just want to make sure that I'm not missing out. And I love that this color defines my curls so beautifully. As you can see, it's really, really curly. And I'm just going to repeat this same process all over my head. And I'll do some slow-mos and things for you guys so you can see how I achieve my purple color. I love how the ends of my hair is curling, like, oh my god. I think this is going to be a pretty bomb wash and go. And the only thing I have underneath here is my Curlsmith Oil and Cream Leave-In Conditioner. And I make sure I apply the generous amount, being that I'm doing a wash and go this time instead of a twist out. And also, I'm doing this on damp hair and I'm not going to re-spray my hair with any water. Because keep in mind, I do have low porosity hair, so we are going to see. And the instruction states to apply on damp hair anyway, so I'm not straying away from the instructions. So far, I am so in love with this purple color on my hair. And I've always wanted to have the Justine Sky kind of ombre purple and black. So right now, I'm so happy with my results. So I've made it to the front of my hair. So now I'm going to apply the Curlsmith Curl Defining Styling Souffle. And I'm only doing this now because I notice my roots will not be flat and they'll be kind of frizzy. So I'm just going to add this before I add the color, which you don't have to do. You don't have to add a styler underneath it. But because my hair likes to be frizzy, I'm just adding this to the top and down the length of my hair to ensure that it won't be frizzy at the top. Because as you can see over here, you can notice frizz. And I don't want that. So far, I am in love with this purple. I am so happy with it, and I'm so happy that my 10% off code NaturallyMarshea is still active. So if you would like to try the purple or the orange, you can go ahead and check that out on the website. A lot of colors are out of stock for right now as of May 27th, but I'm pretty sure they will have some color back in stock soon because they've been restocking. Y'all, I'm infatuated with this purple. Like, oh my god. So happy. And I'm not getting as much color transfer as I was the first time I did this. And I think that's because I'm not re-moisturizing my hair as I go. I'm just doing it on damp hair. And my hair is actually drying pretty quickly, which I love. Right now, this is how my hair is looking. I'm so so happy and I'm so excited. Now I put a little more purple like right here in the front, but that's okay. Because when it dries, if it flakes up like the orange did, I can just shake it off. I think this is going to be one of my best washing ups. And it looks super duper purple in the front. That's because I have, my edges are kind of curled up right now, so I applied some purple to that as well. But y'all, this is how my hair is looking. I'm super excited. I cannot wait for it to fully dry. I'm now going to sit and let my hair dry as I continue to play with it. I'm going to sit and let my hair dry, and I will be back once it is done. Alright beauties, I am back and my hair is completely dry. It is the next day and I am super duper happy with how my hair turned out. Still really curly, really bouncy. This purple is so vibrant. My hair underneath is just popping so much, and the purple is just the perfect just pop. So Shea the Baddie has returned, of course. But overall, I am so happy to say I have not experienced color transfer. There's none on the inside of my double satin silk line bonnet, which can also be found on the Hair Paint Wax website. And remember, my code NaturallyMarshea will be taking 10% off your entire purchase. So that's great. The color and the bonnets are already inexpensive, and everything else on the website is as well. But that 10% off, you know, it could just help a little bit. But overall, I'm super duper happy, super duper excited. But I wanted to show you guys quickly how I slept so you can see how easy it was to maintain this wash and go. Because personally, I've had issues with wash and goes and they would not stay. The shrinkage would be terrible and they wouldn't really last me. But I watched one of Finally Amber's low porosity wash and go videos recently. So I took some of her tips and used them. So shout out to Amber for that. Okay, and if you don't know what that is, definitely go check out her channel. But I just took a pantyhose, and you have to make sure you're not crunching your curls or anything like that, or crushing your curls with this. Took it, put it on top of my ears, brought it up, and just make sure your curls are not in the way, and I pulled it. But then I took the back and pushed it up. Push it up in the back, pull, just so it can be kind of like a pineapple, but not a complete pineapple. And this is helping the back of your hair to make sure it's not going to be smushed or your curls are going to be flat. So then I fold it forward, just like you would with a pineapple. Took my bonnet, made sure that my curls were still facing the front. And the one thing I love about this bonnet, it is super stretchable as well as comfortable. So, put my bonnet on like this, went to bed. I sleep crazy, I toss and turn, so if you're one of those people, this bonnet does not come off. And when I woke up, took it off, shook my hair, then I took this down, took it off, shook again, left it how I wanted, and that was it. My curls were still intact, and even though the color is like a cream, it dries like a gel. So this is going to last me a while, especially being that I have the leave-in and the curl souffle underneath here. But I'm so excited, so happy, and I cannot wait to see what my hair looks like when I can pineapple it once it starts to get older. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope me planning these colors is encouraging you to go ahead and just try it out. Give it a chance. And again, my code is NaturallyMarshea, and you get 10% off using it. Not only do they have colors, they have these amazing bonnets. I have no color transfer on my bonnet, so you guys can see. None came off. Even when I had my orange, it didn't come off. And so I highly, highly, highly suggest them. They're only $14 when you use my code, but they're $14 of worth it, okay? Worth it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out, beauties, and remember, you are beautiful and your hair is unique to you. Bye.